Hi friends, in this session, let's discuss about the five most important points of Pradhan Mantri Kisan Man Dhan Yojana and a model question which is based on UPSC pattern. The aim of PM Kisan Man Dhan Yojana is to provide monthly pension of rupees 3000 per month to farmers when they attain 60 years of age. That means they is to ensure the social security of farmers. That is ensuring the financial independence of farmers when they attain old age. That is when they cross 60 years of age. That is the purpose of Pradhan Mantri Kisan Man Dhan Yojana. And this scheme is a voluntary and contributory scheme. That means it is not compulsory that all the farmers should join under the scheme. It's a voluntary scheme and also contributory. That means a small amount of rupees should be contributed by the farmer towards the scheme. Okay. And to get subscribed under the scheme, a farmer must be in an age group of 18 to 40 years. Okay, and a some amount of rupees has to be contributed towards the scheme, and this amount depends upon the age of the farmer when he or she gets subscribed under the scheme. Say example, at the time of subscription, if the age of farmer is say 18, he or she should pay rupees 55 towards the scheme per month. If say example the age of farmer is 29, he or she has to pay rupees 100 towards the scheme. If he or she is 14 years of age, has to pay rupees 200 per month towards the scheme. That means the subscription amount depends upon the age of the farmer when he or she gets subscribed under the scheme, right? An equal amount is contributed by the central government towards the scheme. That's the future of Pradhan Mantri Kisan Man Dhan Yojana, right? And the beneficiaries are small and marginal farmers. And one more thing to be noted, the spouse of the farmer is also eligible to get a separate pension amount provided he or she also contributed towards the scheme, right? So not only farmers, his or her spouse are also eligible to get a monthly pension of separate pension of rupees 3000 per month provided contribution towards the scheme. Beneficiaries are small and marginal farmers with some exclusion criteria. Exclusion criteria in the sense if the farmer already already joined any other pension scheme, say example Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Man Dhan Yojana, and some other exclusion criteria are also there. So such farmers cannot subscribe under Pradhan Mantri Kisan Man Dhan Yojana. That means some exclusion criteria are there. Apart from that, small and marginal farmers can subscribe under this scheme. It is implemented by the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Okay. And regarding funding, it is a central sector scheme. In one of our previous session, we have clearly differentiated between central sector scheme and centrally sponsored scheme. So please do watch it. And in central sector scheme, the complete funding is provided by the central government and state government is not involved in fund sharing, right? That's all about the scheme. And one more important point to be noted, Life Insurance Corporation of India is the pension fund manager of the scheme. That is LIC is the pension fund manager of PM Kisan Man Dhan Yojana. I repeat, the aim of the scheme is to provide monthly pension of rupees 3000 per month to farmers when they attain 60 years of age. Subscriber age is 18 to 40 and depend upon the age of the farmer when he or she subscribe towards the scheme, the contribution amount varies. An equal amount of contribution is also provided by the center. And the spouse of the farmer is also eligible to get a pension provided he or she also contributed towards the scheme. Beneficiaries are small and marginal farmers with some exclusion criteria. Implemented by Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, central sector scheme, that is complete funding is by central government, and LIC is the pension fund manager of this PM Kisan Man Dhan Yojana. Okay. And when we are applying it for the mains, you can quote this scheme in social empowerment. Say example, if a question is asked regarding the social security of the elderly people, right? That is social security of elderly people. If a question is asked, you can quote this under the scheme. A social security, that is financial independence is provided by getting monthly pension of rupees 3,000 per month for farmers. So likewise you can call it could improve the livelihood of the farmers at the old age. Likewise we can mention this. Or regarding women associated issues, see, both farmers and his or her spouse are also eligible. It includes women also, right? So women are also getting economic empowerment at the old age. In that manner, you can link this scheme, right? And issues relating to poverty and hunger by getting a pension amount of this much amount per month at the old age, the poverty could be reduced, hunger could be reduced. Likewise, you can mention this scheme. Again, inclusive growth, agriculture and support to farmers, direct question. So in the if a questions come from these topics or related to these topics, you can quote at the end, say example by giving a title called government initiatives. See, before this we'll be quoting some problems. These are the problems faced by so and so sections of our population, and we'll be way ahead, we'll be quoting government initiatives under Pradhan Mantri Kisan Mandhan Yojana, so and so is provided. So it would improve the livelihood of the people or livelihood of this section of people. Likewise, if you got, you could score more marks in the mains, right? So this is the manner you have to prepare the schemes for your mains preparation. And moving on to a model question. With reference to PM Kisan Mandhan Yojana, consider the following statements, and which among the above statements is or are correct. We have to find out the correct answer. So let's move on to statement number 1. It is a social security pension scheme to farmers. Exactly. It is a social security scheme, that is a pension amount is provided at the old age to farmers. So statement 1 is right here. All the subscribers has to pay same amount of contribution towards the scheme. No. Depending upon the age of the farmer at the time when he or she gets subscribed, the contribution amount varies. That means not all farmers pay same amount towards the scheme. So statement 2 is wrong here, because it says that all the subscribers has to pay same amount. That is wrong here. So statement 2 is wrong. Regarding statement number 3, LIC is the pension fund manager of the scheme. Yeah, that statement is also right here. So the answer should be 1 and 3. That is option C is our answer, right? And that's all the points you must know about Pradhan Mantri Kisan Mandhan Yojana. And if you feel this video useful, please share it to your friends and also subscribe our channel for more quality videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.